There are a number of ways to assemble the laser scans to a point cloud. Using the Faro laser scanner and the Scene software, it is all about locating registration spheres. You can analyze the scans and locate the spheres manually. This is great for outdoor scans and uncontrolled environments where wind, traffic, and pedestrians may interfere with the scans. For controlled environments, you can have the software locate the spheres. This is an automated process that is great if you have many scans because it requires little or no manual work. This technique is covered in another video. The last method does not require any spheres. The software will analyze the scans and try to align them based on geometric features. This is extremely time-consuming and does not always produce usable results. Let's take a look at the technique where we locate the spheres manually. I start the Scene software, make a new scan project, and open the project. Scene opens a blank workspace. Drag and drop the scan folders of the scans you wish to combine. Double-click the first scan to open it in Quick View mode. Click the Mark Registration Sphere icon and click the first sphere. In the Sphere Fit window, you can see that the sphere is recognized from 146 scan points. If the sphere indicator is green, you have a good match. Now click the Examine icon to pan in the viewport and locate the next sphere. This sphere is recognized from 924 scan points. If a sphere is located far from the scanner, like this one, 16 meters away, it will only be recognized by very few scan points, if any. You might not succeed at locating the sphere right away, so try a few times. This sphere is recognized from only 54 points, so the sphere indicator turns yellow. It is still a valid registration, just not a very good one. Continue locating the spheres and repeat this for the remaining scans. Now all spheres are accounted for. By unfolding the scans in the list view, you can see the list of registration spheres. If you are previewing the scan, you can right-click the registration sphere in the list view and select Locate from the menu. This will show you where the sphere is located in the scan. To align the scans, you will need to do some pre-processing. Right-click Scans in the list view to perform an operation on all scans. From the menu, click Operations and Pre-processing. Scene will ask you to save the project. Click Yes and OK. Saving the project will take a while. From the Pre-process Scan menu, you need to toggle off Detect Artificial References. We already located the spheres, so no need for the computer to do that. Also toggle off Detect Natural References, as the spheres are sufficient to align the scans. If your scans do not contain any spheres, this option should be toggled on, but scanning without spheres is not recommended. Finally, toggle on Place Scans, as this will align the scans based on the sphere locations. Next, click OK. Pre-processing will take a few minutes or more. When pre-processing is completed, Scene will ask you to save the project. Click OK, then save the project. To view the aligned scans, select the scans from the list view and click the 3D icon. The workspace view is opened and the scans will now load one by one. You can clearly see where the scanner has been positioned. If you zoom in, you can see the scanner icon above the dead spot in the scan. You can even see the registration spheres. The last step will add color to your scans. Select Scans from the list view, right-click and select Operations, Color, Pictures, Apply Pictures. When the colors have been applied, you might have to load all scans again by selecting Scans, Load All Scans. Export the point cloud as a POT file. Don't ever export to a network drive or USB device, as this will increase the export time significantly. Exporting took around 15 minutes. The pod file can be edited in Point Tools. You can also import the point cloud to SketchUp, Rhino or AutoCAD if you have the Point Tools plugin. The final pod file takes up 1 GB of space.